Bitcoin and Ethereum ending 2024 with a bang. As 2024 comes to a close, Bitcoin and Ethereum are ready for a big move. In this video, I will dive into the charts of Bitcoin USDT, Ethereum USDT, Pengu USDT, Virtual USDT, Nike stock, and Adobe. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? It will help me a lot. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Overall, some mixed sentiment here. We have some big numbers. 100% for AI16Z. BGP is up 77.5. My previous analysis of Bitget token is already more than 200% in profits. Check it out. I'll post the link of the video in the description so you can see it. Don't forget to take some profits there if you didn't took it. And Pengu is up more than 30. Virtual 43.3. GT 22.5. And we have some red numbers. Phantom is down 20.9. Hype 19.2, Athena 13.4, Ondo 14.4, and from the weekly I will change to the daily. Today's sentiment is overall green. We have some green numbers here. AI16Z is up 10.4, Gala 4.2, Beam 5.4, Pit Network 7, Hype 4.5, Theta 7.5, H-bar 5.1, and the red numbers: Hex minus 9.5, Bitget token minus 5.6, and some more OKB, Leo. From here I will go to CoinMarketCap. Currently we have a market cap of 3.34 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 83.26 billion. And the current fear and greed is 51, which indicates neutral. The top trending coins are H-bar, XVG, Hive, Turbo, and Steam. The top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Binance, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, and Tron. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall a nice green week. All stocks are doing well except a few, like Novo Nordisk was down 15.54. Accenture PLC minus 4.29. Infosys minus 4.01. NVIDIA went up 4.84, GPM 3.52, Apple 2.32, Google 2.25, and from here I will go to the Bitcoin chart. About 14 hours to close this week's candle. Currently we are having a red week and the price is around $95,000. Okay. And from here, let's go to the daily. And I will show last week's scenarios. So what happened since last week? The price went down and the test of the test. And daily gain from the drop off here, and the price went down again. So what can happen next? This scenario is still in play. If it doesn't hold support, then next entry will be here at 87,298, and if it falls through support over there, The next entry also in play, entry at 75,637. I will remove this one. This one still in play. Probably something more like this. Okay, a test of 103,000 pullback with an entry at 99,000, aiming for the all-time high. And I will add one more scenario. Test of 101, pullback, entry around 95,955, aiming to go higher. So 4 potential scenarios here for Bitcoin, and from Bitcoin I will go to Adobe. Let me see, I've charted this one earlier. This scenario didn't play out. Here this one got front-runted a little bit later. It was an entry over here. And if you had played this one, you could have had some profits, about 14%. Excellent. I'll post a link of the previous analysis in the description so you can check it out. So this one played out. I will remove it now. And if we go to the 4 hours, then this entry, it tried to hold support over here, but eventually it went through. So this one is not valid anymore. I will start at the monthly. Here was a rejection from the previous all-time high. Monthly loss of the start of the impulse here, a lower high, and rejection. It went back to the start of the impulse, the monthly impulse. That's where we are now, around $446. I will change to the weekly. So what can we expect now? Let me go to the daily. Okay, I'll go back to the weekly. Either the entry at $376, trying to go up from there, and else the entry at $321, trying to go up from there. And if the price managed to go up from where we are now, then I would like to see a test of the $500 pullback with the entry around $465, aiming for $525. And else, if you have a daily gain of $465 pullback with an entry at current price, that's higher risk, but it's playable, aiming for 487. So 4 potential scenarios here for Adobe. And from here I will go to Nike. The entry here at $96, tried to hold support, and eventually it fell through and nothing played out here. Let me go to the monthly, and I will start with a clean chart. What's going on with Nike? So from its all-time high, it is down 57%. Interesting. I'll add some levels. Okay. From the monthly rejection, went back to the start of the impulse. We'll go to the weekly. What do we see on the weekly? Compression. Here, the test of $74 already been there. Okay. So what can we expect for now? If the price managed to go up, then I would like to see a test of the previous drop off here, the $97 pullback with an entry around $82, aiming to break the $97. This can also be in a small move, like a gain of the $82 pullback, entry $79, aiming to break the $96. And else, then I need to go to the monthly. If the price doesn't hold support, then an entry around $65, trying to go up from there. And if it fell through support at $65, then I would aim for the entry at $54 here. So for potential scenarios for Nike, and from Nike I will go to virtual USDT. There's not a lot of price information here on the daily, but let's see what I can do. Current price at $3.63. I'll add some levels. Okay. From the daily, I will go to the 4-hour. Okay, and I will go back to the daily here. Okay, I would wait for the entry at $2.63, trying to go up from there, and else the start of the impulse $2.33, trying to go up from there. And if it fell through support at $2.33, the entry between $1.75 and $1.85. And if the price managed to go up, pull back, and then pick either the aggressive entry here at $3.56, aiming for a new all-time high, or else the more defensive play, entry $3.19, trying to go up from there. So 5 potential scenarios for virtual USDT, and from here I will go to Pengu. Also on the daily, not a lot of price information, but I will see what I can do. And from the daily, I will go to the 4-hour. Okay. And I will go back to the daily here. Either the entry at between 2.5 and 2.8 cents, trying to go up from there. And else the entry here at 2.3 cents, trying to go up from there. And else need further rotation on the lower time frame. And if the price managed to go up, then I would like to see a 4-hour gain of the 4.2 cents, pullback, and then either aggressive entry at 3.8 cents for the continuation, or the more defensive play at 3.5 cents, also for the continuation play. So 4 potential scenarios here for Pengu USDT, and from here I will go to Ethereum, starting at the weekly. Less than 14 hours to close this week's candle. A green candle for Ethereum so far. So it's gaining strength against BTC. Okay. And from the weekly, I will go to the daily. And let's see last week's scenarios. Daily gain above 3,484 and higher low. Okay, interesting. So if there is a rejection, this scenario is still in play. Entry at 2,857, and if it fell through support there, then the next entry at 2,618, and this one still in play. The test of 3,884, pullback with entry at 3,484, aiming to break the 4,000. Let me remove this one. And else the test of 4,000 60 pullback with an entry between 3,580 and 3,647, aiming to break the 4,173. So 4 potential scenarios here for Ethereum the coming days. And for now, enjoy your day, be careful with fireworks, and see you in the next one. Cheers!